Amy is looking for her toy. Do you think it's under her bed? Welcome. Let's read, not my toy. The special word in this story is the sight word, not. Not. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. Can you see my toy? Can you see my toy? It is not on my bed. It is not on my bed. It is not in my bag. It is not in my bag. Is it in the toy box? Is it in the toy box? This is not it. This is not it. And this is not it. And this is not it. The toy is not in my room. The toy is not in my room. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green, not. Can you read this page? It says, it is not on my bed. Can you also read this page? It says, this is not it. Read. Where is the toy? It says not in my room. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. Not. Okay. Let's play some games. And practice spotting the word not. First, can you find the word not? Which is the word not? Not. Again, find the word not. Here it is. Not. Last one. What letter does the word not start with? Not. It's N. Not. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Subscribe to practice more reading.